Hey sis, how you doing? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivienne-Karlene and I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. If this is your first time hanging out with me in the closet, I'm glad you stopped by my channel. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. So welcome, have a seat girl, because it's fun over here. Or guy, it's fun over here. But if this is not your first time hanging out with me, girl, let me tell you about my week. Let me tell you about the week. I didn't think we were going to have a video today. I did not think we were going to have a video today because since I have been in the garden doing a lot, I've been having a good time. We've got some rain. And when the rain showed up, the rain laid me out. Girl, I've been in bed for like 4 days now. And I'm like, oh my gosh. But you know what? God is good all the time. So I'm back. I had to get some scissors. Lord, these are not the right scissors, but they're going to work today. So we have 2 boxes. And I'm thinking that this is the box. So one is a robe and one is a bag. So let me tell you about this bag. You've known for a while that the only thing that has kept me from getting into the Marc Jacobs Tote Bag brand is in fact the branding that it says the tote bag. But Forever Ebony shared in her community post a few weeks ago two gorgeous tote bags. One was in denim and the other one was in the color dark cherry. I hope that this is the right box. So, nope, this is not. Wow, this is the robe. Let's do another one. Okay, so that means this is the bag. When she showed this, I was like, oh, I'm supposed to be unboxing. I was like, that color is gorgeous. Sis, I went to Neiman Marcus looking for this bag. I also went to Nordstrom looking for this bag. Could not find the bag. It's like, according to the essays, this particular color has been selling out real fast. So a few days ago, I said, you know what? I really need to see this bag for myself, because I saw the black one in store in the size small, and I saw the argan oil and maybe the ivory. The black had me right away. I was like, oh, this is gorgeous. The argan oil, I was like, it is nice, but I do have a lot of black bags, but I would have gotten the black one first and then the argan oil. But I really wanted to get my hands on this dark cherry, so I ordered it. I ordered this one from Neiman Marcus. And girl, when I tell you I saved, because you know some men pay full price and you know, so my allergy them, right? Okay, so I placed this order when Rakuten had a 15% off cash back from Neiman Marcus. And I also had a welcome code from Neiman Marcus for 15% off. So I combined the two and I got a gift card. So I saved really, 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 really well on this bag. So here we go. I hope it's, I already got an attitude. I hope that this is factory wrapped, because if it's not, okay. Okay, I see plastic. Okay. Let me take that out because that is private stuff. Okay, hello and goodbye from Neiman Marcus. We will see, Neiman Marcus, if it's a goodbye. Okay, all right. Okay, let me just relax first. Let me just relax, because y'all know how I get excited. And you know how I do not like to mess up my closet. Okay, right off the bat, I didn't even see anything. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm curious to see, what does this color look like in real life? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Okay. So Okay, okay. I gotta really look at this. I really have to look at this bag because I was under the impression that it was not as deep of a berry. While I'm turning it around, girl, I'm looking at the stitches and everything because I've watched so many videos on this particular bag. This is a small. I was just concerned that the color was off online, and that's what, oh my gosh, this color is beautiful though. I thought it was like a burgundy. No, this is really a nice color. Okay. All right. Okay, because they packed it up too. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, she cute. She cute. She cute. Let me leave the tag on. Make sure that I absolutely want it. I do believe I absolutely want it. Okay, we're taking that off. I'm all out of the camera. Okay, I guess this is the famous crossbody strap. You know what? It is safe to say that internet photos, they need to do better, because I thought this bag was more of a wine, like a burgundy. I don't know what color but I like this a lot. A lot. I love the size. I love the size of it when I saw it in the store. They know how to package, though. I know that. Oh, I love that. I like this little feature right here. I think that is so cute. And I love the zip top. Because remember, guys, when I shared... Hold on. I don't want to make too much noise. You know what? This will be a really good comparison next to the Rogue, just because of the boxiness. Okay, let's see. Guys, I like this a lot. Is this supposed to be in like this? This is so cute. Okay, so this is why I wanted it. Let me get my Zara bag. So I was wearing this. Let me see. This is a nice, ooh, that's a good size comparison. Look at this. So I was rocking this Zara canvas tote bag for a while, a few months ago, like a while. I did a video on it and everything. And, or was it a post? I don't know. Or what's in my bag. I did something like that. And I enjoyed carrying this so much. It was really, really easy to just get in and out of, but I had one issue. Every time someone came real close to me and I was in a store, I felt the need to like pull the bag in closer to me, because there was no way for me to protect what was inside because there's no zip. And I was like, man, if this had a zip, it would be great. So I was talking to one of you guys via DM, and you was like, girl, my Marc Jacobs tote bag has a zip and I love it. So I was like, okay. And then Ebony showed her bag. She showed this bag and the denim one. She ended up with the denim one. But ever since I saw this color, I was like, yes, it is. This bag does not even look dry. I mean, wow. I'm so glad I got it. Please excuse me if I'm not like all extra excited, because you know, okay, you know how I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like the tote bag across it. I don't mind it at all. I don't mind it at all. And the bag looks like it is well conditioned, and I don't think I have to baby this bag. Okay, all right, so I want to see how it looks with the crossbody strap. Everyone has said that the strap is really thin, and they prefer a web strap with the bag. And so I was like, okay, well, let's see. I want to see for myself. Oh, I love sis. This is, I'm looking around my closet to see if this is similar in tone to anything else. It is, but the leather, it is so pretty. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm very happy. I am very happy that I got this. Okay, so hold me hook it on. All right, I could see why people are like, hey, I need a larger strap. Hold on, we need a mod shot. Let me back up. We're gonna do a whole little mod shot thing. I'll be right back. It really does remind me of the Dempsey 22 that I tried on during the summertime when I was from the strawberry print. It really reminds me of that, the way it hangs on my body, and I like that. I wanted that bag so bad, but it wasn't manufactured well enough for me to go ahead and give them that much money. The bag that I saw at the store, it had issues. But this, I like this. Look at this. I'm loving this. I feel comfortable with this bag. Someone told me that these bags were addictive, and the whole tote bag thing is really not bothering me because it's more subdued. I wanted to try it. I like how it look on me. It feel real chic. I like it. I will say this. I'm impressed. I am. As much stuff as I have spoken about the Marc Jacobs Tote Bag, I really wanted to try this one. I'm telling you, how does this look next to the Rogue? Because it's really light. One thing about the Coach Rogue bags, every time I pick them up in store, they are very heavy. And yeah, they're heavy. The glazing on this looks really good. Let's get up close. The glazing looks really good on the handles. The stitching is very pretty. I've heard that a lot of wear happens here on the corners with these bags. I wish I had feet though, you know? I wish I had feet. I think I'm just really impressed by how pretty this bag is. It looks and feels so nice. Like, the leather feels so conditioned. It doesn't feel dry at all. Like, wow. It's just a... Do we need to go ahead and compare? Let me just grab the Rogue because I'm right here. Instantly heavier as soon as I picked it up. I haven't even rocked this one yet. It's heavier. I wish I had a scale. But this is it in size. Wow, guys. Look at that. Look at the difference. But it does have feet though. And then this one is jacquard, which is even lighter. So I know an all leather Rogue. Ooh, she's got a lot of weight. Okay, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. The dust bag. The dust bag. All right. I love my little Zara bag though, girl. I will still rock my little Zara bag. But listen, I'm gonna rock this casually. Yes, she's cute. Okay. What do you think about this bag? Do you have any of the Marc Jacobs tote bag? I know a lot of you guys do, but are you considering this color? This is a vibe. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, sis, that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for hanging out with me, even though I'm under the weather. I am going to clean up my closet because, you know, some of I like the whole mess thing all over. And I'm going to wash that robe and throw it on. That robe is by Barefoot Dreams. I purchase these robes once a year. Usually my hubby will purchase them for me, but I'll be dogging these robes out, girl. So every year I just get a new one and I enjoy it. They're nice. They're long. They wash well. They wear well. They're so comfy. Oh my gosh. I highly recommend them. Highly, highly, highly recommend them. So, yeah, I'm going to clean up my closet. I'm going to pack out my bag. I'm going to show you what I'm going to rock her with in a short. Girl, I was supposed to wear another bag this week, but because if it's raining, I'm going to wear my long chomp, my red long. Girl, this bag is so pretty. I can't stop talking about it. Let me get off this, let me close this video out. Yeah, look. Let me close this video out by letting you know, in case nobody told you this today, I want to be the first one to tell you that you are loved. You are blessed. You are beautiful. You were created by God to do some amazing things, like create some amazing things. So sis, if you have a vision, if you have a dream, if you have a goal, I want you to go ahead and get started on those things because God is going to see you through. I also want you to believe with your whole heart that you deserve every good thing that God has to give you. Yes, we enjoy handbags over here and we enjoy other things too. But you know what? I just really enjoy hanging out with you. So leave a comment below, please, and let me know what you think about this bag. Do you have any? Are you looking forward to owning a tote bag? What do you think of the brand in general? And please do not forget to drop a few tips, because this is my first, maybe my first of many Marc Jacobs tote bag. I don't know. We will see. But sis, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye, sis.